Isn't that cute? Here's the signs for Historic Smithville. Hi! We are on the way home. We are in the car, so it might be a little bouncy. We just went to Historic Smithville and we wandered around for a while and saw all the shops and saw some ducks. Big ducks, they were big. And we had a nice time. So I hope you enjoy it and we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye! I love this store. It has so many cute signs. Birdhouses. I really want this Bigfoot sign for my yard. Somebody doesn't mind the rain. A lot of the stores are closed. Well, their windows decorated up nice for Valentine's Day. I love going in there. It smells so good. Never been in there, but it looks cute. The Smiling Llama, alpaca outwear and accessories. Cat cave. Isn't that cute? Lots of kitty stuff. And right next to it is the Wolf Barkery. Sweet shop. The Village Outfitters, men's, women's, and mittens too. The cozy side of life. Wow, you look inside, they got big blankets, big poofy sweaters, flannel shirts. It does look warm in there. Warm and cozy. Valentine wreaths and then little Christmas trees. Oh, it's a sand sculpture. Sitting in Sand by Matthew Deber. And they got these pretty Valentine wreaths. A little like greenhouse with lots of ferns in it. It's pretty neat. It's the candle shop. I love candles. I love incense. They got a bunch of wind chimes. They got a rabbit for Easter. And this is the Christmas shop. Not sure what it's called, but it might just be called the Christmas shop. Signs up further. Lots of snowflakes. Lots of ornaments. Little Christmas knickknacks. You get this really cool, I don't know what you call it, like surrounding their door. It's like all ornaments. It's cute. Oh, and it is called the Christmas shop. Toy market. Never been in here. From the window, it's got lots of toys, teddy bears, scooters. They have a photographer here. Their building is like right on the lake. The lake is right here. This is where we come up and we watch the Christmas tree show. I could probably zoom in more when I edit, but there's all the Christmas trees are over on the other shore. Very pretty. There's a little gazebo that sits on the lake. It's cute. There's all the Christmas trees from the Christmas tree show. The light show that we come up here and watch every year. Usually we go on that don't know if you can see it, but it's right next to the Village Green sign. There's like a little dock. That's usually where we go to watch it. And then we eat at that pizzeria. They have a little display here for POW MIA servicemen. Look at you! You enjoying the rain? Joined his buddy up here. Saw you earlier. Totally Tiki is closed. They have some real neat stuff. They always have tables outside with all these just weird figurines and stuff on them. This is their window. But they're closed. They always have tables sitting out here in this little walkway. Well, now we know how they take down the Christmas trees. There's a paddle wheel. We didn't walk over that way, so I didn't get close to that. But we'll walk over there on our way back to the car. Nice pan of the lake. Here's the Colonial Inn bed and breakfast. Nice little area outside, a coffee cafe and lodging. It's a train tracks, but no train. I guess it's only out certain times. This is a neat store. They have a lot of punk stuff, horror stuff, music. And their sign says, "Sorry, we're open." Guess they keep a lot of their extra stuff back here. I thought it was just the chickens. Chicken's taller than I am. Smithville Peanut Butter Company. It's the covered bridge. We park out in that parking lot a lot, and then you get to walk through the covered bridge. Oh, and I found the train. I found the train. Parked away over in the corner. Paul Dazzle Pet Bakery and Boutique. Don't have any pets anymore. We only have fish. We don't get to go in these cute little shops. Smithville Pickle. The giant pickle. Oh, the sign on the door says, "In a pickle, taking a short break." "25 shots, 90 seconds, $2. Feather your nest. Welcome to the nest." Cute little shop. Something old, something new, something vintage. It's a cute little place. We've never eaten in here. We usually just come and get pizza couple doors down. This is a little dock that we usually stand on when we watch the Christmas light show. And they have all these little tables and picnic tables out here, and they're packed. We call them, they're packed. They They have a winery. It's Tomasello Winery. This is where we usually come for pizza. Costello's Pizzeria. Has good food. And right next to it is Scoop's Place. They have ice cream. They're not open, but they have good ice cream. We've had ice cream in there. They have a little big ornament out front and a rooster. Made yourself at home. Just chilling on a bench. You are huge. I don't know what this is, but it's really big. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments. Here's the paddle wheel. It's not working. We've been here before when it's been working, but last couple times we were here it wasn't working. It was humongous. And my husband said he thinks that huge thing on the ground back there is one of the axles to this. Here's the sign for it. These are really cute old-timey little street lights.